A COVID-19 vaccine could be closer to hitting the market as case numbers continue to soar across the country and the world. 22 News reporter Nick Oresco is live in Springfield with the latest on a possible vaccine that could be available by the end of the year.
So, Rich, it doesn't mean that a vaccine will be available right away, but some promising news. A major U.S. pharmaceutical company is getting closer to unveiling a COVID-19 vaccine, which of course will help stop the spread, or at least slow the spread of coronavirus. Now, the drug company Pfizer said that early analysis showed its vaccine for COVID-19 is more than 90% effective at preventing infection. It's also still in its preliminary phases, but the Pfizer study indicates a high success rate. People who received 2 doses as part of the trial saw 90% fewer symptomatic cases of COVID-19 than participants who were given a placebo. Now, Pfizer has not released the full results of the study, but the analysis states that no serious safety concerns were observed. Now, the company also added that it would not apply to the U.S. Food and Drug Administration for emergency use authorization until it had 2 months worth of safety data. I did speak moments ago to the CEO and president of Bay State Health, Mark Kerouac, on this recent news.
I think it's very good news to hear that there is a vaccine that has achieved a 90% success rate. The other hurdle it needs to achieve is to show that it's safe after being administered to large numbers of people. And that all needs to be assessed by the Scientific Advisory Panel and the FDA before it's officially certified and approved. But I think that it's likely that that will be happening probably early next year, after which we'll begin a slow rollout.
President-elect Joe Biden said that he welcomed the news of a possible vaccine, but is warning that it's still important to understand that the end of the battle against COVID-19 is still months away. Pfizer said that based on current projections, it expects to produce globally up to 50 million vaccine doses in 2020 and up to 1.3 billion doses next year in 2021. Mark Kerouac told me moments ago that he doesn't really expect a vaccine to be here until at least early next spring. We will have more details coming up tonight starting at 5 on 22 News about this new vaccine and what it means for our U.S. economy. For now, though, we're live in Springfield. Nick Oresco, 22 News.